morning everybody, just another day in Poland. Right now I'm here in one of my favorite coffee shop. Actually so many coffee shop that I like in the Sołacz area. And I order one hot cappuccino and also one cinnamon. I'm planning to meet my friend here actually, and she is from Balinese. She's from Bali, Indonesia. And she texted me like few days ago. She want to share something about, I don't know, problem, something like that. Ladies sometimes like to meet and talk about something. So yeah, first of all, let's have a coffee and wait for her. Why am I actually sharing this story to you guys? It's just simply like I make a YouTube video every single day. The purpose is to connect to the people as well. I know that if you are moving abroad, maybe you don't have any friends, and I feel like I'm lucky that wherever I go, especially there are some people like we can connect through the social media. Nowadays there are so many social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube or something like that. And then since we opened the YouTube channel, when we used to live in Bali, when we travel to Southeast Asia, we always met people and then talking. And then it's nice that how the world is connected through the social media nowadays. And maybe that I cannot help the people that much. I'm not a life coach. I'm just a 34-year-old lady. Like my husband is working and I also have something to do, but the thing is that I'm always have a time to make a video to stay connected to the people. I'm always open with everything, whenever want to meet or something like that. So what I see is that if your life can be beneficial to others, it's just like you can do a small thing that can be beneficial for others. It's already good things, even that we cannot help that much, but at least being a listener, being someone who can talk to, it's already a good thing. And also for you guys who always watch our video no matter where we are, who is being loyal to our channel, thank you very much. I cannot mention you one by one who still keep in touch with us. I do really appreciate that. And for those of you who still new in our channel, you can like, share, subscribe. Yes, I think this one is Damian always said like that. Yeah, I'm so happy and meeting with people. And yeah, so remember that how Damian traveling to Australia, how Damian traveling to Canada, just because of, first of all, from our YouTube channel. Like we know people and how is the world really connected. And thank you Pak Mik, thank you Luis, and we share the beautiful memories together. So yeah, this is the video that I would like to appreciate all of you guys that coming to our life and then share together with us, laugh and everything. So you guys are very special for us. I know that sometimes we talk about something silly or something, but really from the deepest of our heart, you guys are so special for us. Just like few days ago, I contact my family and then I share about how is the life going actually in Poland. What I can say that yes, our life in Poland so far, we are having a job and we have roof on over our head, we have food on the table, we have a decent health. So yeah, we are so grateful for that. I feel like I talk too much already. Now it's time to go home and then I need to cook because Damian gonna be home soon. It's already 3:30 and Damian finished working at 4. So yeah, I have to go. So this is actually the traffic situation in my neighborhood. Yeah, it's stress-free, right? I mean, like not traffic jam, right? So already finished cooking and preparing food for Damian, and Damian already going driving Uber actually. In half hour I will have a class and I have a meeting with my friends also. Now I'm in area of Maui Garbari, which is close by the Starry Rinek. So there are so many development here. In front of me is gonna be a Kaminicha complex of the apartment, I think, and that's the hotel. And here, this is during the rush hours. This one is the Kaminicha, and in front of me, over there is the Ratus and the Starry Rinek, basically. Actually, the Starry Rinek, the old market square, you see during summer, it's not as a crowded here, not really many tourists, but yeah, it's enjoyable. This one is kebab restaurant. It's little bit cloudy. I think it's gonna be raining soon. That's in front of me is the fountain, small fountain. This is actually the vibe and place to sit here under the tree. It's nice. That's the restaurant in the front. That's another restaurant as well. Nice building. Many improvement of the building. I mean, like they renovated to be a better and better one. So we will cross there to go to Moskova. Kohani. So you already finished working today, yeah? Always have a fika time together, right?
Trying best.
No matter what, you have a time for fika. Kohani.
Fika is very important. I like this Swedish tradition. Never been in Sweden. Somehow. Even it's not too far, we have to go there one day. Let's go by car, by the way. But I like the fika concept.
Right. Smacznego.
Smacznego.
Go to the photo joker actually. We will print some of our picture and put in a frame. Just like this, kohani, tak? Nice. So many nice, beautiful photograph. I mean, like this one is just like photo studio. Nice. Oh, so look how many language that they have.
Right.
So what picture that you make?
We pay for the frame.
The frame. Okay.
I just have to pay before I...
Oh, nice. Look at our picture.
Yeah, there is some. It is pretty nice.
Nice, nice quality. Look. Nice. Ah,
This one's
nice.
still in Bali, no?
Tak. Nice, tak? Oh. This beautiful sunset. Nice.
Nice, isn't it? So beautiful, isn't it?
Tak. What time is it?
2016.
Ah,
We are
it's
on
nice.
Rondo Rataje in Poznan city.
Tak. Beautiful. Big city life. How many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 line. What a big road.
That's the roundabout with the 4 lines.
Oh, nice. Look at the sunset.
Using the opportunity, we show you the roundabout with the 4 lines. Actually, there is 5th line also for the bus, and through the middle is going the trams also going. So technically, this is pretty complicated roundabout. But for me personally, I like to drive it here. It's so easy for me. But I know how to drive it though. But if you don't know, it may be a little bit stressful. And that's the panorama of the beautiful city of Poznan, which is the 5th biggest city in Poland. Maybe not the biggest, but it's nice. Beautiful mixture. Look at the Safari Topai. The tram is racing with Mila actually. Look at that. We are racing
Oh my god.
in the sunset and the green lights very often. little bit of the old architecture as you saw, little bit of the modern architecture like here perhaps. This one of the banks, and the tallest building in the Poznan is under the construction at the just straight in the front of us. And that's the also nice Porsche Macan is driving here. Out of Porsche in Poznan, seems like people in Poznan have a money dollar. And well, will be the sunset, and we're gonna cross the bridge of the Warta River, which is the second biggest river in Poland as well, coming through middle of the Poznan city. Maybe I will show a little bit. So it's nice little drive back home, going to the park for the afternoon walk after fika time, after work. So actually pretty enjoyable, isn't it?
So if you're asking me to drive, I completely have no idea which line.
But it will be easy to learn for you to drive here actually, because look at that, it's just still organized. It's not like in Bali or in Asia in general, as you don't know what's going on. This one is just fine.
Yeah. And look at this roundabout. No, this is not roundabout.
Oh,
This one is the tram in the middle. It's nice. Any office building this area, right?
That correct. Also at the front of us there are two nice modern buildings with the headquarters of the international companies, because some international companies bring in their headquarters to Poland.
I
So
know,
we
because
have a foreign
last time
investment.
I've got an interview there, kohane.
That in this brown building actually.
So yeah, this is the tram station in the middle. This is how the traffic situation actually. Oh, look at this on the right is the more fancy modern building, kohane.
I heard there is the nice Chinese restaurant though, by the way.
Yeah, I was there. Look, this one is the hotel.
Novotel and
Hotel
Ibis,
and Ibis.
or Ibis, however you
Yes.
pronounce this.
I just like to capture the moment of the sunset, you know. Sunset and the traffic jam.
And the buildings are on my side actually right
Yes. Yeah, I was there actually.
now. Nice.
This is what I feel like I'm in a big city life. Nice. On the park on the right. How many line is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 line.
Or two to go straight, two to go left, and there's a tram on the middle. That is the front is the Avenida Mall, and also the train station. Maybe we're gonna have a brand new train station in the future. I read some news as they planning to renovate it and make it completely new, but we will see. And also this, the tall building, a tunnel on the roof, this is like the most fancy residential building, like the most expensive apartments are there. Also with the nice panoramic views, some of them, you know. So, and this is like very, very central. Imagine you living here, cross the bridge, and you are in the train station or in the mall. Kind in the mall is pretty normal in Southeast Asia, but train station, nice. You see, he come at the front of me, but he flashed with his emergency lights to say thank you. We have a culture of driving here in Poland. Yeah, I'm not gonna mention what I wanted to mention. Actually,
Oh, look, the people still working at this time.
yeah,
It's
they
on the left.
renovating actually the bridge. They changing the tram rails and they putting concrete because it was little bit bumpy there. And they still working. Yeah, that's good actually.
Yeah, you see.
But even they work already after hours, they look so chilled actually, I'm gonna tell you. And this is the
Targi company.
Targi Company Expo. My industry actually nowadays. And this is Baltic building at the front. This building actually is the office building, and there is Starbucks, some banks, some other things. Long time ago, before pandemic, there was the rooftop bar, but unfortunately recently it's closed. I mean, there is office now instead of the bar simply. But this building won so many prestigious awards here in Poland for the nice architecture, and the name is Baltic, so like a Baltic Sea. And that's the another roundabout. Mercure Hotel, we also was Sheraton Hotel next to it, right? This is the Franklin Roosevelt Street, by the way, because one of the Roosevelt president was nice to Poland, other one not so really. But the one was, there were two Roosevelt presidents. If you're American, you should know history of your own country. At least we in Poland know American history, which is rare, because in Poland we learn about the history of all around the world.
Arrive in my favorite park, actually in Park Sołacz. I start Kochanie my video this morning here.
In this park,
Yes.
and you're gonna end up this video in this park.
Park.
Nice.
Right. So every day after coffee, every day you have to go walking in the park, tak? To keep mental health good after stressful work, right?
That's the thing.
And look at this duckling. I'll show you.
Bebek goreng?
The baby. Oh my god. Oh,
Huh?
he's flying, you see?
You see that?
No, and look at this sunset view.
No, so lovely.
That's all our video today, guys. So you guys watching starting my day in the morning, and then I'm meeting my friends, and then so this is how actually our daily life. Thank you for watching and listening, and see you tomorrow.
Bye.